Hello guys, today we're going to install the Tomei rear muffler for the RX-7 FD. I unpacked everything, laid it out nicely. This I will still need to cut open. Yeah, sorry for the background noise. So we will be adding the Tomei rear muffler instead of the Blast Reinhardt. As you can see, these are just twin pipes. I'm gonna show you how you will change it to the Tomei muffler. So first of all, there's one band there, two bolts over there, and then just unhook them here. It's very simple, everyone can do this. So I'll undo this now and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so we got the old muffler out. It's in there like this. So you have the muffler, then you have this V-band right here that keeps these two together, and then it's on with two bolts. I don't know why they use two gaskets for mine. I don't know if that's necessary. I thought always one was just good, although I have like two in here as well, so maybe there need to be two. I don't know, I will look it up. Alright, so what I've done is I've put springs on like this. I hope it's good like that. So I already did that. They are very close. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but we'll find out when I start it up and I hear some rattling. I know it will be these, and then I will then need to change them around or something. I don't know. I think this really is the furthest you can get them, because it's like this is on the outside and this is on the outside. If you turn it around, it will be even closer. So I don't know. I don't even know if this is the best way to do it, to put the springs on first, but I thought I would give this a go like this. And now it's already mostly compact in one thing. But yeah, we'll see how we're gonna do it now. Alright, it looks already much better. But what I was looking at is, if you look here, that thing is just barely holding on. If it just wiggles a bit, yeah, that shit will fall out. But I have this thing on here as well. I don't know if this is standard or anything, but I think I will need to transfer it so it's not as loose as it's right now. But after all, it's not sticking out too much. The brace is very clean. I didn't touch it with my hands, I just used the gloves so I don't get printed fingerprints everywhere. I think this was a good idea to get the springs on first. Now I just have to tighten this one up, and then that will be good as well. And those bolts are just in there to check for everything. I put it in like this. I think this will be good. I will just need to find a way to transfer the other one, but as you can see, this that shit will just fall out in 5 minutes or so. And so I need to transfer this one, tighten this one, put some grease, some bolt smooth paste that you get with the muffler itself. Put it on that one on the other side, and then it should be very good. Right, so I got it off. It was like this thingy. I really don't know if this is standard from Mazda or not, but anyway, is there one? Yeah, I don't know if this is Mazda original, but I will transfer it, and luckily I have one. If there wasn't one on my muffler I had right now, I would be in big trouble. Alright, we're back under the car. I've tightened these two. I put some grease on the bolts, both sides. Put the smallest gasket between them. Tighten this one on as well. Maybe I will redo this, that this is like turned more down, because now I think the bolt will scrape. I don't know. We'll see. The springs are looking fairly good. Not amazing because I see they're still touching. You see, but like this side is just about clear. Then we come to the back. I've put the rubber thing in. As you can see, it's like a lot better. Maybe I will need to push it in a little bit more, but I think that will be fine. And then the last one, pulled up top for pushing together this clamp. And yeah, that's how I did it. Now we will fire up the car and hear how it sounds, if we hear any rattling from these. Alright guys, that was it. She sounds freaking amazing. It's just amazing how loud the muffler only is. I have the mid pipe in my car from Tomei, but I won't install it yet because now I have a MagnaFlow high flow down catalytic converter in it. Sorry, and I won't install the mid pipe yet until I'm going to a tuner, because I won't have enough back pressure and it could cause boost creep and such things. So that's why I'm not installing the mid pipe yet, but I do have it and I will be installing it, but like I don't know when, maybe next year. Yeah, this is a whole project. The color is gonna change everything, so time by time, money by money. But anyways, now I got the Tomei out. I have this blast muffler that I'm not gonna use anymore. So if you guys are interested in it, this is the muffler. I think I will be posting pictures on Facebook, but if you guys know anything about this, I don't even know the brand. It's like some Reinhardt, I believe. It's like a twin exhaust, twin muffler thing. It also sounds freaking amazing, but like this is like much louder amazing, you know what I mean? This is like very good amazing. But yeah, if you need it, if you want it like this one, I have it up for sale. Probably I won't do anything with it. So yeah, that was like the video. I hope you liked it. Like, and maybe subscribe if you want to. You don't need to. So yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching.